You should go the extra mile. You can use this phrase whenever you want to encourage someone. You need to put some more efforts in order to achieve it. I'm speechless. It is a very interesting phrase that you can use when someone has done something very wonderful and you could not even recollect words to praise them or appreciate them. I'm speechless. Pull yourself together. It is a phrase that you can use when you want to console someone. If someone is trying very hard to come out of a bad situation that occurred in their life, then, in order to console them, it's not my cup of tea. It means that you are not at all interested in that matter. For example, if someone asks, "Are you interested in reading?" If you are not, you can simply say, "No, it's not my cup of tea." That's a good one. If we are in a meeting or discussing any matter, then someone comes with a very good idea, then we can use this phrase. That's a good one. That's a good one.